The Guest Flex Card Printing Pack is a comprehensive, all-in-one solution designed specifically for creating professional, high-durability buffet labels and guest identification cards. This complete bundle features a fast monochrome thermal printer capable of producing sleek, one-sided cards in seconds, ensuring that hospitality teams can respond to menu changes or guest arrivals in real time. The system utilizes high-quality black PVC cards paired with a specialized white ribbon to create a high-contrast, chalkboard-style aesthetic that is both elegant and easy for guests to read. These cards are engineered to be water-resistant and food-safe, making them ideal for placement in high-moisture environments like ice displays or steam tables, where traditional paper labels would often fail or peel. Included in the package is intuitive design software that allows for full customization of fonts, logos, and icons, enabling businesses to maintain strict brand consistency across all customer touchpoints. The printer itself boasts a compact footprint that fits easily on a crowded back-office desk or a catering prep station, while the drop-in, ribbon, and card loading system ensures that staff can maintain the device with minimal technical training. Whether used for labeling allergens on a breakfast buffet, identifying VIP attendees at high-profile events, or creating durable staff badges for daily use, the Guest Flex Pack provides a cost-effective and professional alternative to laminated paper or handwritten signage. This professional kit is built to withstand the rigors of busy commercial kitchens and bustling hospitality floors alike, providing a reliable and sophisticated solution for modern signage needs across any venue.